Hi guys, now we have a big project here. It's called password generator. So what's the point of this project? We will ask user how many letters the user wants, how many numbers he or she wants, and how many special chars he or she wants. So it means after that we will generate the password for the user. Okay, so we will ask how many letters, numbers, and special chars has to be in the password, and after that we will generate the password like this. Okay, so let's go. I think it will be fun. So first thing first, we will need some imports. So here we will have only one import, so I will import a random, because there will be some random shuffle with a list. You will see that later. So after that, please go to the textbook. The link to the textbook is in description of this video, and you have to copy these lists. So it means letters, numbers, and special chars. Okay, so please copy this. Link is below in the description of this video. You just open the link, and there you need to find this video, and you will be able to copy these three lists. Okay, so we have import randoms. Here I would say some letters, numbers, and special chars. Okay, and now we need some user information. So it means how many letters should be in the password, how many numbers should be there, and how many special chars should be there. So we will print some welcome text, something like password generator, and here will be num letters. So how many letters do you want? So it will be integer, correct? And we will ask by input. So how many letters do you want, or how many letters do you want in your password? But I will write it only like this. Okay, so here is a mark for a new line. After that will be num numbers. It means how many numbers. Again, it will be integer and input, and it means how many numbers. Okay, we spoke about it in previous videos, that why is here integer, because input give us back a string all the time. So we need to convert the string to the integer. It means whole number. Perfect. And num, like number, special chars. So here will be again integer, and we will ask how many special characters should be there. It goes like this. Perfect. And we can check it, because we wrote lots of code. Lots of you know what I mean. So we need to check it. Okay, if everything is okay, maybe there is some mistake, some error, we will see. So I will print all these variables. I will run it. Okay, password generator, how many letters do you want? I would say 3 letters, 2 numbers, and 1 special character. Okay, and print is 3, 2, 1. Perfect. It goes like this. It goes perfectly. So now we need to choose random letters, numbers, and special characters. I will call it special chars. So it means now we know, for example, that a number of letters will be 3. So we need to generate, or we need to reach 3 random numbers. Okay, so how we will do that? So random letters, I will call it like this variable, and we will use this random. Okay, and there is a special thing, I think we haven't spoken about it so far. So it's called choices. Choices means you have choice you can see it here, it means one choice. So if you would write something like this, so it means it does one choice from the letters. So it will choose only one letter, for example G or something like that. But we need choices, okay, because we need to choose more things. So it's from letters. So I said choose from these letters, and how many. So it's the parameter, it's called key, and how many num letters. For example 3, it will be here, okay. So something like something like this, okay. And I will print random letters, so we will see what's in there. So go to the letters and create some choices from the letters. And how many choices? It's num letters. So the visitors or the user of the application will tell us how many numbers he or she wants, okay. So I will run it. How many letters? 3. How many numbers? 2, 1, for example. And you can see we have 3 letters, and they are randomly chosen. So if I will clear it, run it again, for example 4, 3, 3, we have 4 random letters. Perfect, that's exactly what we need. And we will do that the same with numbers. So random numbers will be the name of the variable, and again random choices from numbers. Be careful, from this, okay, from this list, from numbers. And how many? Again, the parameter is called key, so we will write key equal and num numbers, correct? It goes like this. Perfect. And here random special chars, special characters, and again random choices, but from this special char list. And key, it means how many it's this from the user, num special chars. It goes like this. Perfect. So we can print it. Maybe I will print it like this, separated, random numbers and random special chars, and we will see what's in there. Perfect. So there should be a random letters, random numbers, and random special chars. And how many? It depends on the user, how many he put here, okay? And the parameter is here, how many. And this is from which list we need to choose it. Okay, perfect. So we will print it and we will see how many letters, 3, how many numbers, 2, how many special chars, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3 random letters, 2 random numbers, 1 random special char. Okay, perfect. And you can see that this is a list. Okay, this is a list. We have 3 lists: first, second, third. Perfect, great. So if I will run it again, how many letters? For example, 5, 5, 3. Again, 5 random letters, 5 random numbers, and 3 special chars. Perfect. I like it. So I will stop the video here. I hope you understand what is going on, and we will continue in the next video.